Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. So in this video we are going to talk about internship. So if you're someone who is a fresher, you just have graduated, this is the video for you. Or if you're someone who is in your graduation and you will be graduating in 1 or 2 year, or even if you are in your first year of engineering, arts courses like BA, or maybe commerce courses like BCA and BCom, things like that. So if you are part of those courses, you can do this internship as well. So this is absolutely free internship. So there are paid internships as well, where you will be getting paid for your internship program, but there are free ones as well. So anyone can apply to these kind of internship, and what this internship will do is actually give you real-time experiences, and you'll be working on projects. If you are someone who is into media and you want a real experience into media and tourism, so these are the internships that you can do for greater exposure. Then there are internships for databases, specialists, and roles like that. So you can do that as well. And there are 5,000 opening for one internship. So every category would be having 5,000 openings. Even 50,000 openings are there for certain categories. So if you lie into those categories, or even if you are just exploring, for example, I wanted to learn French, and Skill India is giving free French and tourism internship. So I'm gonna be picking that up. So this is the motto of these kind of internship, and this is by Government of India. So you know the credibility of it. It's going to be a game changer in your resume. So if you really keen on learning something on your own without spending a single penny to the courses that are offered these market, so you can do that. Like doing a course and paying for it is good, but I always look for something that is absolutely free, because I have been like that my entire life. Even though I have money, I look for the courses for others as well. So this is my motto and mantra here. And if you are keen on learning through these internship, you are welcome to watch this video. In the second part of this video, I'll be navigating to their website and will be showing you everything that you need to know about this, and how to apply, where you have to find, what categories you can think about yourself. So this is all. I'm going to move to my computer screen and we'll show you everything. So I have just started sharing my screen. What I am going to do is just type in internship over here. So I have searched it all so many times. So that is how I'm able to see the Skill India Digital Hub. You can directly search Skill India Digital Hub. So there are internship program available over here. And these internship program, what they are going to do over here is going to be a magic for you. So this is the Skill India website, and if you just want the link, I'm going to be providing it into the description box below. That's not a hard task for me. So here are so many schemes, program recommendations, skill courses, job exchange, skill center, and many more things. India Skills New. So you can refer to this website. I'm not sure why they are not advertising this one. I found out to be really good for anyone who just want to learn and don't want to pay, or are not able to pay anything. They just have laptop or phone, they want to learn. So this is going to be great for them. So if you want to learn about the AI, like design AI driven inventory system using Python, TensorFlow, Python libraries and REST APIs, so you can do this one. This is trending because AI engineers are high in demand. Okay, so this is the course that you can do, and the duration is 3 months, and there are 5,000 openings. So you can navigate to this and do that. Okay, this is a paid internship. So obviously you will be getting paid to do this internship, and there are 5,000 openings and you don't know about it. So it makes a great chance for you to get selected for this internship. Then they have the performance marketing. If you want to switch to a marketing role, and there are so many job openings for marketing roles, marketing consultant, marketing supervisors, a number of opportunities are there, marketing analyst. So if you want to switch to those roles as well, marketing operations analyst and things like that, this is a paid internship for those as well. 5,000 openings. Okay, shop track billing and inventory database. This is for someone who wants to go into the billing industry. So this is more like an IT industry work as well. I have worked on ERP systems, so they are more or less the IT technician works are relate to it. So this is the duration, and there are 5,000 openings. You can click on these and go towards these internship, and you can view the details. Let's check one of the details. This is not something I am very familiar of, but this is for the medicine students. Whoever relates to it, please go ahead. I'm gonna do this German language cultural immersion internship, because Right now I'm really intrigued to learn some other language besides of English and Hindi that I already know, and my mother tongue, which is Avdi, so I know that as well. And yeah, French language, so I'll be picking that up next. Tourism and hospitality, this is for that. And basics conversation in Italian. So these are free internship that you can see. This is for the language. And let me tell you one thing, for the language, this is utmost important. And if you want to switch to in another country, if you want to go to and do a job in another country abroad, so you can do this internships, because there are high number of job openings for teachers in English in abroad. For example, there are teachers needed for Japanese language in Japan who also know English. So this is going to be a scoring point for you. So this is one thing. And yes, there are n number of opportunities that you can apply for, and these are the free internship that you could see. And I'm gonna be telling you Excel mastery internship. So if you are keen on learning the data analytics skills, there are skills that you can learn from this Master Lean Six Sigma Black Belt internship. This is for the people who work in the customer service industry. Then they have SAP logistics. So it's a hub for someone who wants to learn so many skills like me, and they don't want to necessarily pay for too much to learn a skill, because it's very expensive to find one courses, because most of the courses are designed by foreign nationals and they ask for money like 2-3 lakhs, which is very hard for us to pay. So this is something, a great initiative by Indian government, but I'm not sure why these people are not highlighting these. So I'm telling you, this is the best thing that you could see. This is for the income tax specialist internship. Anyone who wants to excel in any field, they have the internships there. I know most of you are allured by the paid internship, but let me tell you, the ones that are free are also very, very good internship. Okay, HR generalist internship, you can add it in your resume. Data science with Python internship. Look, what is this? I mean, they are going to tell you the data analysis skills and everything that you need to know just for free. So this is for 12th, post graduation, graduation, and 10th, and these are all the skills that you are going to be learning with this. Absolutely stunning. So again, these are all of those skills are for a month. You have to do these courses for a month or so. I'm going to tell you, just apply for those paid internship. Please make it to those and learn these internships as well. Go for these ones as well. So I hope, like, I'm not gonna go to each internship and tell you the skills. You can do that as well. I know my audience is really educated, so please do that. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any queries, suggestion, doubt, or anything that you want to say in the comment section, please do. I will try to reply you all of those comments, because it really matters to me. It keeps me in touch with the people who are actually facing something, or who want some career advice, and if I'm able to provide that, that's a win-win for me. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you have yeah, you can connect me over LinkedIn, and you can type in an email. You can do that as well. So yeah, bye bye for now until we meet next time. Bye bye, take care.